Mulholland Drive is a 21-mile scenic road in the eastern Santa Monica Mountain of Southern California, known for its stunning view of the Los Angeles Basin, the San Fernando Valley, and the Hollywood sign. It's famous for housing many celebrities and featuring some of the most exclusive and expensive homes in the world. Now, residentially, Mulholland Drive is known for its exclusive and expensive home, housing many celebrities from Marlon Brando's old home to Jack Nicholson to Madonna Castillo del Lago to Kendall Jenner. Homes in Mulholland's estate which she purchased from Charlie Sheen. Scenic views. Mulholland Drive offers panoramic view of the city including the San Fernando Valley, downtown Los Angeles, and the iconic Hollywood sign. Celebrity residence. The road is lined with the homes of many prominent figures in Hollywood, often hidden behind gates and lush landscaping. Historical significance. Named after pioneering civil engineer William Mulholland, the road was proposed in 1922 and officially opened in 1924. Driving considerations. The road is known for its narrow two-lane construction and can be heavy traffic. It's essential to be aware of your surroundings and drive cautiously. Tourism. There are various tour companies that offer guided ride along Mulholland Drive, highlighting celebrity homes and scenic overlooks. Driving on Mulholland Drive, scenic road. The road is a popular scenic drive, offering a unique way to explore the Hollywood Hills and enjoy the city's landscape. Traffic. Be prepared for potential traffic congestion, especially during peak hours. Safety. Exercise caution when driving, as the road can be narrow and poorly maintained in some area. Overlooks. Take advantage of various scenic overlooks along the road to capture photo and enjoy the views. In addition to the view and celebrity residence, Mulholland Drive is also known for its association with the 2001 film Mulholland Drive by David Lynch, which featured the road is as a setting. Road. A Mulholland Drive street sign in a residential neighborhood in Woodland Hills. The eastern terminus of Mulholland Drive is at its intersection with Jaga Boulevard and the Jaga Pass over the Santa Monica Mountain. At this point, Jaga Boulevard runs adjacent to Highway 101, the Hollywood Freeway. The road continues to the west, offering vistas of Hollywood sign, downtown Los Angeles, and then Burbank, Universal City, and the rest of the San Fernando Valley with the San Gabriel, Verdugo, and Santa Susana Mountain. The road winds along the top of the mountain until a few miles west of the San Diego Interstate 405 freeway, just west of the intersection with Econo Hill Drive. It becomes an unpaved road not open to motor vehicle. This part is known by many as 3rd Mulholland. This portion connect with other unpaved road and bike trail and allow access to the Commission's Project Nike command post that is now a Cold War Memorial Park.